Good afternoon. December the 1st, 2015, kickoff of a new trading month. We came into the market today with a bias to the upside. We thought that we could take out or get an early test of resistance. If 95 basically held, then we could trade from the short side. So we came in wanting to sell this 92.95 area. Then 99, 2001 for sell 2. On the buy side, we had 86.84. So you can see that our call at 645, while not perfect, was pretty damn good. First trade of the day that we took was right off of here. If you traded off the edge of those bars off this retest for it, it was good for 10 points. This trade, missed that one. I don't know what, I think we're probably skimming another market. That was a plus. This S was a plus. We did take this S trade and scratched it. In the process of scratching, we missed this B, which was a plus. Nancy's tweezers are a little V top right here, plus. Nancy's tweezers are a little B right here, at least a scratch. Then just a lot of chop right here. Then when we left the market the last time on the last update we said if you had to trade, you'd trade from the long side. Thought the market was going to retest these highs and or take them out. So the assessment was really pretty damn good. And if you had taken the trade setups as the software dictates or the trading methodology, you'd have prospered. It's a bitch, you know, when you have to take the trades. It's all fun up then. Higher low, higher high. F1 screen says, watch out, 2100, here we come. Why are we trading higher? China has to support their markets. The EU is going to cut rates and increase their QE this week. And based on this morning's economic news, maybe the Fed won't raise interest rates come December 16th. Anybody that follows the fundamentals and understands how the books are cooked, the announcements that are made to make these guys look really, really good, is doesn't understand on fundamentals how the Fed can raise interest rates. I'm not saying they won't. I'm just saying it's just very difficult to see. So we had a D pattern, pretty much a little more volume here on the upside than we had down here that favored the upside. And so it's a D leaning P in the congestion area. And that's given us a rotate up to this level. 2100 is still there. That would make the Fed pretty happy. So where are we right now? Basically failure to take out 97 to 2100. So sell failure to take out 97, 2100. And then 3 to 5 for sell 2. On the buy side, 91 to 89, buy 1. And then our 86 to 84, buy 2. We've got news tomorrow. ADP 183. Friday's non-farm payroll are looking for 190. Then we have productivity up 2.2%. These are pretty big gains. Unit labor costs up 9/10. Again, it's hard for me to see unit labor costs going up this much because of how soft the job market is. And then crude inventories. And I believe Rich Genders will be speaking tomorrow. That was his promise last week. And if you haven't gotten a chance to see Rich, you really do. Top drawer stuff. Okay, after a huge trend day like we had in the financials, my guess is, given Thursday's news, given Friday's news, that the financials will trade in a trading range tomorrow. And this is the convergence to December prices, so we have a strong one. So if we were looking at it against March prices, it would be a higher low and a higher high. But we've already closed the gap. And looking at it on this screen, you can see it's a very, very strong P. So failure to take out 2704, 2708 would be sell 1. And then 11 to 15 would be sell 2. On the buy side, last rotate down stopped at 27, so 28, 24 is going to be buy 1. And then buy 2 is going to be 17 to 21, playing for the breakout. Looking at the 30-year, which smoked, I mean the spread is at 29 now, and we started this morning at the 28, I think 2808 area, full point. Very, very strong profile, so the issue is, will it continue tomorrow or not? And my guess is we're looking at a pause day, so we want to sell failure to take out 56, 5604. And then 11 to 15. On the buy side, last rotate down was 25. This market's got a little more volatility, so 17 to 21 buy 1. And then 5 to 9 buy 2. And I think what we saw today was the unwinding of the short hedge. As Nancy pointed out this morning, got some smart people in the room. But Nancy, you're only as good as your last call, you know that. Isn't it fun? Isn't it amazing how we define ourselves by how well we did on the last trade? That's a hell of a thing to go through life, saddling yourself with. Gold, higher low, higher high, but we're in the trading range. So the F1 screen, find a place to get long to see if we can take out today's highs. Put all this together. Not the world's strongest P, but a P nonetheless. And so we got a seller up here at 70, so we'll make 69.71, sell 1, 74.76, sell 2. Let them get stops above 75. On the buy side, 63 to 65, and 59 to 61 for buy 2. Okay, crude. We have the inventory report tomorrow. They're looking for a build of 1.2 million according to one source. We'll update that in the morning. F1, lower high, lower low. Find a place to sell it. Definitely a B. Last rotate up stopped at 41.75 to 42. So 41.75, 42, sell 1. 42 and a quarter, 42.50, sell 2. On the buy side, 41 and a quarter, 41 even, buy 1. And then 40.50, 40.25, buy 2. It's a screwy day for trading. The market has drifted lower into the report tomorrow, so maybe a little short covering is possible. Turkey and Russia might mix it up overnight, but and then we have the OPEC meeting on Friday, which will tend to hold things in check also. So looking for a trading range with a lower bias. And I believe the euro's on hold until Thursday, which is what? Gosh, only 2 days away. And the euro, a higher low, higher high, but it's just hard for me to see this baby trading up. So we'll give it a little room to the sell side, but not afraid to get short. And when the ECB does speak on Thursday, if they do lower interest rates again, and add to their quantitative easing purchases, my guess is that we'll trade lower. We can get a nice rally on short covering into that, going into that number short. Risky as hell trade, but that's where the market would tell you to trade would be from the long side, just based on what's happened of late. Okay, selling the 106.50 area, sell 1, sell 2, 106.75, plus or minus buy 106 even, 106.10, then 105.75. And that does it for this December the 1st, 2015. I will see you all bright and early in the morning. You all have a great evening, and we'll try to shake that ATM in the sky again tomorrow. I'm out of here.